Hi guys, welcome to yet another video on our channel. My name is Miguel and she's Margarida, and today we're going to do a little update on our lives. So, 2 days ago we arrived in Hatfield from Lisbon, and we're going to start university again.
Yeah, this year I'm going to be a first year student studying psychology, and Miguel will be on second year of film and television production course. Like Miguel said, we arrived on Saturday, but we are only doing this video now because when we arrived we were very tired and it was a very busy day for us.
Yesterday and before yesterday we spent the entire day, packing things and cleaning the room.
And the kitchen as well.
And the kitchen as well. So we've been very busy, that's all. And today we had our first classes in the morning, and now that we are done with the day, we thought about starting this video.
Yeah, both classes that we had were online, but I think we will have a mix between face-to-face and online classes this year, or at least this semester. And yeah, basically we wanted to make this video to show you our room and our kitchen.
So, please welcome to our room. We'll show it to you right now. So guys, as you can see, we are in Hatfield, in England, and this is our building. Please, come in. As you can see, it's still very sunny in England, even though we are in September, which is very good. I'm on a t-shirt. I'm very well like this. So like last year, our apartment doesn't have a lift. So we are living on the third floor, which is the last one. So you can understand how we got so tired after, bringing all the stuff inside. So here's our flag. It's very funny because, here is our kitchen and living space. And on that side, we have all the rooms, which are single rooms. But ours is on this side, completely isolated from everybody else, which is very cool. We're room 1, and this is our room. So, right next to the door we have our little bathroom, which has a little sink and the shower zone and the toilet. And if you go to your left, here's my side of the room. I have a wardrobe and a desk, and that's it. And I also have this window right here where I have a little view of the campus. Oh, and this is my bed.
And this is my side of the bed, of the room. Basically, I have my bed here, and then here is like my clothes and all that stuff, and then my desk as well. And now we are going to show you our kitchen. Let's go. So as Miguel said, the kitchen is very close to our room, and we also have this living area where we can watch TV and all that stuff. And then here we can eat our meals. We have a lot of chairs, as you can see. And then this is the kitchen. We have a lot of space, and this is ours. And this is ours as well. And then we have the microwave, the kettle, the toaster, and then we use this oven as well. And we have 2 fridges, but this is our side. As you can see, it's pretty full. We also have this. And then the freezer. And yeah guys, we hope you enjoyed this video.
We did this little experiment of making our first video in English. We used to make videos in Portuguese, but if you prefer in English, please let us know, or vice versa.
Yeah, basically we want to reach a bigger audience, so that's why we're trying to make this video in English, and we hope you guys enjoyed it.
So see you in the next one, guys.
Bye.